Hi, Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we're making bacon, eggs, and cheese bread. This recipe is just right off the cuff. We had some extra ingredients. We had some bacon, some cheese laying around, and some self-rising flour, and boom, we have bread. The recipe and the links to all the products you see me use here will be in the description below. Please do us a huge favor. Click that thumbs up button, please, please, please. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the Little House of Beans, hit that notification bell, and please join our Facebook group,
Stovetop Omnia Oven Fans.
Stovetop Omnia
Oven
Fans. Thanks, Stu. I'm ready to cook. It's breakfast time. Let's get going.